There is a common misconception that you need a different wallet for every different cryptocurrency. This comes from the early days of crypto, and it's a valid question for anyone new to the space. You see all these different tokens and blockchains and wonder how you could possibly manage them all. And the answer is, you don't have to. ELLIPAL wallets, and most hardware wallets, are designed to be a one-stop shop for your digital assets. ELLIPAL wallets, like the Titan 2.0 and the X Card, support a huge number of coins and tokens. We're talking about more than 40 different blockchains and over 10,000 different assets. This means you can store everything from Bitcoin and Ethereum to Cardano, Solana, and countless others, all in one place. So, how does it work? It's all about the private key. Your private key is what gives you access to your crypto, and it's stored securely offline on your ELLIPAL device. The wallet isn't actually holding your crypto, it's just holding the key that lets you control it on the blockchain. So whether it's on the Bitcoin blockchain or the Ethereum blockchain, your single ELLIPAL wallet can manage it because it holds the master key to all your funds. This is a huge advantage. It simplifies your crypto management, so you don't have to juggle multiple devices or apps. You have a single, secure device that manages everything. The process is a breeze. You add a new account for a specific coin, and the ELLIPAL app generates the correct address for that blockchain. You simply send your crypto to that address, and it shows up in your wallet. This multi-chain support also extends to other features. You can swap one crypto for another right within the app, a true cross-chain swap. You can connect to a wide range of decentralized applications using Wallet Connect, regardless of the blockchain they're built on. So, when you think about managing your digital assets, don't think about different wallets for different coins. Think of your ELLIPAL as a central vault for your private keys, giving you the power to securely manage all your crypto across all the major blockchains, and all in one place. It's security and convenience, all in one device.